If you are still shelling out hundreds or maybe even thousands of dollars each year for cable, it is time for a serious wake-up call. I used to be in the exact same boat, blindly handing over $100 a month just to watch the same shows on repeat. That all changed the day I stumbled across a completely free app hidden in the depths of the Firestick universe. There are no subscriptions and no hidden fees, just endless entertainment at your fingertips. I could not believe something this good was actually legal. Welcome back to TechVibes. In this video, I am going to walk you through every step you need to ditch cable forever using this powerful and easy-to-install app. I have personally tested it on multiple devices including Firestick, Android TV, and Google TV. It works flawlessly. We are not talking about grainy bootlegs or endless buffering either. You will get high-definition access to the newest movies, current TV shows, live sports, and even pay-per-view events, all without touching your wallet. All you need to do to get this on your device is make sure you follow along with every step in this video very carefully. Missing even one small detail could prevent everything from working properly. But before we begin, please take a second to hit the like button. It is free for you and it helps me a lot to grow the channel and bring more content like this. Now let us get into the installation itself. Just a quick disclaimer, this video is for educational purposes only. I will also skip opening these apps because YouTube policies do not allow me to showcase such content, but I will share why I believe they stand out and are worth downloading. The first thing we need to do before we can install the secret code app is go into the Amazon App Store and install the Downloader app on our Firestick. Without this app, the secret code installer will not work. It is going to be our gateway to unlocking all that extra content. If you already have the Downloader app installed and have developer options enabled, you can stick around for a second as we move to the next step. The easiest way to search for any app in the Amazon App Store is to simply press left on your remote and move over to the magnifying glass. Then scroll down and click your center button. This will bring up the search function. We are searching for the app called Downloader. Once you see it appear, highlight it and press the center button. It is the white and orange app by AFTV News. Click your center button to open the download page and then press it again to install it on your device. This usually only takes about 30 seconds to a minute, depending on your internet speed. When the installation finishes, you will see an Open button. Do not open it just yet, because we need to change some settings to make sure everything works properly. Press the Home button to return to the main Firestick screen. We need to tell your Amazon Firestick to trust installations from outside the official store. This is the key to unlocking all that extra content. Navigate all the way to the end to the settings gear on the top right corner of your screen. Look for either My Fire TV or My Device. If you have a new Firestick, the developer options might be hidden. To make them appear, click on the About section. Find your device name, like Fire TV Stick 4K Max, and press the center button on your remote about 7 or 8 times quickly. You will see a small pop-up saying you are now a developer. Now press the back button and you will see the developer option has appeared. Highlight it and click your center button. Turn on ADB Debugging first. Then, go down to Install Unknown Apps. You need to allow the Downloader app to install apps from external sources. Click your center button one time to turn it on for Downloader. With these settings enabled, you have officially bypassed the restrictions. Now click the Home button on your remote. Go to your App section to find the Downloader app we just installed. It should be at the very bottom of the list. Open it and grant the necessary permissions. You will see a simple interface with a blank address bar at the top. This is where we will enter the special codes. Navigate to the search bar and click the center button to bring up the keyboard. The code you are about to enter is only part of the process. If you stop here, you will be left with an app that does not do anything useful. You must complete the setup within the app itself. Enter the code 77457 and click Go. The downloader app will connect to a remote server and begin downloading the installer package. Let it finish completely. Once the download completes, slide right and click Install. After the installation is finished, click Done. Slide over and click Delete, then click Delete again. Removing these files frees up storage space on your device. Now we have the secret App Store installed. But remember, the real magic happens when you know which specific apps to install from this store. Before we open it, we need to repeat the settings process for this new app. Go back to Settings, My Fire TV, and Developer Options. Go to Install Unknown Apps and you will see Unlinked has appeared on the list. Turn it on. Both Downloader and Unlinked must be turned on for this to work. Before you open any of the applications in this private app store, I highly recommend using a VPN. Your internet service provider can see every app you use, and they often track your activity or throttle your connection speed. A VPN routes your traffic through a secure server so your ISP cannot see what you are streaming. This is a crucial part of maintaining your privacy. It also helps you access content that might be blocked in your region. I personally use NordVPN because it is fast and easy to set up on a Firestick. You can find it in the Amazon App Store just by searching for it. Once your VPN is connected, open the Unlinked app. When you launch it for the first time, it will look empty because we haven't added any libraries yet. Click on Add a New Library and enter the code 96960000. This library is packed with the best options for streaming new movies, TV shows, and live sports. I have personally vetted these apps to make sure they deliver quality streams. After you enter the code, click Next. You will see a welcome message with my personal top 5 app recommendations. Press the center button on your remote 3 times to activate the full category layout. Now you can browse categories like movies, TV shows, live TV, anime, and sports. Each category contains multiple apps you can download with just a few clicks. Highlight an app that interests you, click Download, and wait for it to reach 100%. Once it is ready, click Install App and then hit Done to return to the store. The store contains over 100 amazing applications. I recommend installing several apps that interest you so you always have a backup option. Some focus on new releases while others specialize in live news or sports networks. This is all it takes to unlock a massive library of content on your Firestick. If this helped you, please hit subscribe to TechVibes so you do not miss future videos. Give this video a like and share it with friends. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one. A like and share it with friends. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.